We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on a Lexmark B2338. This specific printer takes a B231000 toner. So it's real simple. You have your little button right here. Press that and it'll open your front hatch. And then this green lever, just go ahead and pull that out. This is going to be your toner. Go ahead and set it to the side. Unbox your new one. And then when you have it ready, there's these little green arrows. Go ahead and just insert that toner following the guides. Alright, once it's in there, once you hear it click, then you know it's in there. Go ahead and shut your front hatch. Then you should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or toners, give your girl Brenda a call. Have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.